Didn't have any lights on, but good toilet paper, warm seats, probably from the guy before me. Wasn't that bad. Rate him on his hotel experience next, but...
Did you get your pillow?
Yeah, overall, 9 out of 10.
Nice.
Yeah. Pretty good.
All right, day 2, we're in Oklahoma City. We're going that way. Got a long way to go, a 10-hour day today. We're gonna up it mileage-wise. Yesterday we did 500, today we're doing 700. Tomorrow's Grand Canyon. Coming into Quaking Aspen for our night relief. Rocking it up. It's down there somewhere. Go for it. All right, hold on. I'm going to do it.
Oh, shit.
Right, I'm not saying that to your dad.
And that'll be good to go.
I think you gotta jump first, though.
Yeah, I gotta jump first. Well, can we move a little closer? There's no way. These things have no traction.
No, they don't.
I think if I go light enough, I just
Put my Vans on.
Dude, why don't you wrap your legs around the trunk and just
Because
shuffle up?
The whole idea is parkour.
Okay.
Parkour.
Okay.
Parkour.
Parkour.
Okay, here we go. Parkour.
Money shot.
Parkour. One more try. One more.
We're over at Petrified Forest. The boys are kind of walking around a little bit, trying to keep them on the trail. It's not really working out very good. But as you can see, like all the wood is so cool. It's got all these quartz in there. Let me get close up of it. It's beautiful. It's like half rock, half tree. So unique. And then there's just all this like pea gravel out here. It's beautiful. Just like wood, but it's actually rock. That's cool. Nice find.
being the other way around is just like rock paper.
Sure. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Yeah, it does lichens.
Dad, you're stupid.
Woo!
That truck.
Woo!
No, I caught him. It was in my hand.
He like jumped all over you. Nathan's the only one brave enough to go down this thing. And he's scared of heights.
Dude, that's not okay. That's not okay.
You sure, Nate?
No.
What an adventure. Ooh, ah. I was reading it like literal. Ooh, ah. Time to go. Top of Cedar Ridge. Grand Canyon. Unbelievable. Oh, just left Grand Canyon. We're heading back to Flagstaff. Gonna get some tacos. Yup. We had a good day today. Hit 2 awesome sites. Hit the Petrified Forest, and we hit the Grand Canyon. Got 7 miles on the Grand Canyon.
Oh, don't forget to mention the paraphernalia I picked up at the National. At the Petrified.
Nothing. We didn't see nothing. We didn't do nothing. We didn't get strip searched either. We're fine. That's it. All over. Oh shoot, I'm done anyway. Coming into Page, Arizona, before Lake Powell. Got Carson driving the truck. He's doing great. It's been a 2-lane road for the entire morning. He's everything from bumps to jumps to off-camber turns. Time to get on that houseboat.